Hi, Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater, today with a video walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. Extremely versatile boat for a day at the beach, heading to the restaurant, or offshore fishing. This boat has the white hull sides, stainless rub rail for a very clean look, white 300 horsepower Mercury Verado outboards with joystick piloting. See, on the transom we have the cross-tie cleats, telescoping boarding ladder, rod holders, and shore power connection across the transom. This boat is equipped with a generator and air conditioning, so you're able to air condition the cabin and the head. So we'll step on board and take a look. First, you'll notice the very easy entry into the cockpit, freshwater washdown, in-floor fish boxes on both sides. Very comfortable seat across the stern, easily accommodate 3 adults, very comfortable seating. When you get to your destination, if you need a little more real estate to fish or move around, simply just fold it up and now you have a wide open cockpit. Whaler does a fantastic job engineering and integrating the features right into the boat. Over on the starboard side, we'll see the very robustly built dive door, flip out grab handle for easy boarding, and the dive ladder simply inserts into the floor, locks in place. This boat is also equipped with the fishing package, so additional live well and storage. Moving over to the starboard side, you'll see the summer kitchen, so we have a refrigerator, additional live well, Kenyan grill, and sink. Moving over to the port side passenger area, very comfortable double wide forward facing seating for all passengers. This does configure into a lounger as depicted in the pictures, so if you're up for a day at the beach and some lounging, very easily convertible. Electrically actuated passenger seat does go up and down, so the little kiddos can get a good view as well. Very nicely laid out helm. This boat is equipped with a full electronics package. So we have the Vessel View 4 for engine data, twin Ray Marine multifunction displays, chart plotter, fish finder, Ray Marine VHF. Again, joystick piloting, make ease of any docking situation. Also functions as a sky hook to keep you in place. Integrated autopilot as well. Moving over to the cabin. Again, we mentioned this boat has generator and air conditioning, so you can get down in here, cool off. It does convert into a full bed. Air conditioned space with a television. Air conditioning also for the head. Very large head, easy access, great blue LED lighting. Sink. Moving forward, we'll see this boat has the optional bow filler cushion, so you can put that in place and have a complete sun pad. Very nice forward-facing seating. Fusion stereo, JL audio speakers, cup holders and controls forward as well. USB for charging your devices, both in the cockpit or forward. And finishing at the bow, an additional freshwater washdown shower, bow boarding ladder, and electric windlass. Huge asset for a day at the beach or fishing. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, come give us a call. Again, this is Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 727-218-1523. See this boat in person or anything else in our indoor showroom, or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thank you for joining. We hope to see you soon.